Hello and welcome back to the garage. Today we're going to try to get this TRX 90 pull start to work on this TRX 70. If you're new here, this is I think it's an 86 TRX 70. I think the fuel tank actually wasn't on it in the last one, but first thing we need to do is I got to clean up all this. We'll get into this in a second. So you guys might be wondering, why does all my stuff look like it's worse than normal? Well, to be honest, this also might be why videos could be delayed in the future, is we had a baby. Very happy about it. She's happy, she's healthy, came a little early, so she's definitely taking precedent over about anything else right now. And that's part of the reason why I started doing videos every 2 weeks instead of every week, just in case something were to happen. I'd be able to have a few videos in reserve, and I no longer do. Today's actually Sunday, which is the Thursday before when I normally put my videos up. So a lot of this stuff's been out from projects that I've kind of been helping people with when I can, lending out tools, things of that such. So with all that being said, next couple weeks, hopefully I can get back on the 84 F250. If not, that's why. I'm not about to apologize about that either, because I got told more than once. YouTube does not pay the bills. My second job just started back up. So I've got other commitments that I have to be to. Child's number one. So I'm not going to let my wife raise her by herself. So. Anyways, I figured I put that little note in early, because also my retention time normally isn't the best. Probably because I talk too much, but that's okay. But regardless, I'll finish cleaning this up and then we'll kind of get back together with the plan on this thing. So I'll finish this up quick. So some of you might have seen another guy's video who did roughly the same thing, and I'm going to basically follow his lead. And I'm going to notch 1 and 2 corners. We're going to run 2 bolts after that. If you hold this guy up here, you can see kind of that top bolt, bottom bolt. The holes will line up. They just need cleaned out. So we're going to do that real quick. Probably take a grinder, just run it right through there, notch that out so it's big enough for the bolt head to go in, or bolt to go through, and it'll probably end up sitting somewhere down in here. So yeah, just take a grinder, just go and see how it looks. So the way that I'm basically doing this is, you can see I got that one pretty well cut. I got to take a grinder, clean it up, or a file, clean it out more, make it more even. I'm just taking this piece, touching it on here, just to cut it up in there. Now, obviously, don't use your bare hand like this. Make sure you use proper protection. Don't be an idiot. If this thing slips or something, my hand's going right into that. That would be stupid. So make sure you don't friggin' hurt yourself. That's why I use a smaller diameter disc too, just to make sure I can get in here right. Obviously, you can use the other side to make sure you're lined up straight. So I'm gonna finish getting that one up. We'll file these, and we'll be good to go. So if you made it this far and you're not sure how to space these things out, so if you look at this pull start, I don't have a factory one to show this one against. There's a guy on YouTube who did this well before ever me. His channel, I think, is Nate MX31. He actually 3D printed, I believe, a 5.5 millimeter piece to make up the difference in the thickness of the pull starts to make it so this will work. Now, I don't have any way to 3D print it. Now, if somebody does and they want to go that route, I believe on his video he does have a link to wherever his 3D printer piece is. I don't know. I've never 3D printed anything, so I don't know how to explain that part to you. But he has a thing on there to where I think you can download the software, whatever thing he used to build it in CAD. I don't know, but the information is there. So if anybody has anything that they want to do this and they want to 3D print something, go to his channel. He has a link to his thing. That's where I got this entire idea from. Now, like I said, I don't have a 3D printer, so we're going to space it out maybe with washers or nuts. I don't know yet. I'm going to dig through, see what I have, then go ahead and get some bolts to hold this pull starter on, and we'll see what we can do. But right now it's on there. I kind of use the old spot where you can see it was centered on the old one and just kind of got it close. So yeah, let's go ahead and keep moving. So I got the bolts and everything, and here's my plan. I wonder if I can set you guys on here so you can see stuff still. I can work with that. So I think it was a 5.5 millimeter is what I wanted. And I noticed the nuts are 4.7 along with a flat washer, which comes in at 1.4. Have the one, that'd be 4.7. We're looking at a little bit over 6 millimeters in the way that I'm going to do this. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the bolt in, and I'll put the washer, then the nut, then we'll put it on. We'll see how that works. I know we do need to figure out a plan to make it so that water and stuff doesn't get in there when you're riding it, or at least mainly grass in my opinion, and dirt. My hope is to find some kind of weather stripping, something like that, that I can make a hole bigger than what the bolt hole is, so it can sit on top of everything, but also make it so it doesn't get sucked in here. That could be the difficult part, but anyways, for now, let's see how this goes. So that's basically how this thing's on. I said I got the washer and the nut, and then that's bolted in. Not really sure how well this is going to stay in here. I definitely would recommend some Loctite if somebody does this. One thing you might notice too is this bolt is out. One thing I completely forgot the guy said in that other video is you actually have to open up the holes just the smallest amount. And if I really shoved that over, I could probably get it to go in, but I figure no real reason to hurry that. I mean, I got time. Actually, I don't have time. I need to get this video out in 2 days, but yeah, I mean, it's honestly pretty simple if you go this route. And then I'm not going to start it up because my wife and child are asleep. So, but yeah, seems to work pretty good. You can see a lot of flexing down at the bottom bolt, so definitely needs to get in there, but seems to work pretty good. So I think that's going to be it for this one. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully we can get in some more action-packed stuff in the next couple of videos. Also, I listened to this video early. Sorry about the audio. I don't know what happened there. But thanks for watching.